best free alternatives for Magnus AI Agent. Hello everyone and welcome back. If you're into AI tools and looking for powerful alternatives to Magnus AI, you've come to the right place. Today we're diving into top 5 of the Magnus AI alternatives that I've used, including some exciting names like Suna and Lutra AI. So whether you are a creator, developer, or business owner, these AI platforms can seriously level up your workflow. So let's get started. Now starting off, this is probably a honorable mention. Now we have Open Magnus, which you can get via GitHub, and you can simply head on over to Open Magnus project, and you guys can see you have this link over here which can help you in downloading, setting up Open Magnus if you are looking for a alternative for Magnus AI. And this is Magnus AI, where we have, AI driven tool where its core functions include art generation, automation, and it's primarily used for both of these things. But some users might look for an alternative. If you're looking for a free alternative, then we have a few options. So if this isn't fitting your needs, then let's head on over to our first alternative, which is Cortex AI. So Cortex AI is called Suna or Suna, whatever you want to call it. I just call it Suna. This is created by Cortex, and it is an AI platform that is gaining traction for its advanced natural language processing and creative AI tools. It's designed to help with everything from content creation to automation workflows. Some of its key features include multi-modal AI capabilities, easy integration with popular platforms, and user-friendly interfaces for beginners and pros. So what makes it stand out is whether you want to automate something, whether you want to summarize something, do some research, or do anything else, you are easily able to use Suna AI. To get started, simply head on over to suna.so. Now, they do have some paid plans available. Their free plan allows you to have free $5 per month usage included with public projects and limited models. Then they have their $17 plan, $43 plan, and $170 plan. So getting started is completely free. You can click on Get Started over here and you can sign up with your email address. You can also proceed with Google just like so, and it's a very quick and easy sign up process like so. They're just going to continue on ahead, and just like so, this is going to be your Suna AI dashboard. Now over here, you can get started with adding your basic prompt. So on the bottom, they have some quick starts, and on the right side, you can see some of the models that are available. You can also attach files. Now let's say I want to create a image or find the literature gap in IO psychology, where I can do quantitative research. And just like that, I'm just going to ask it for research ideas, and it's going to be able to do that for me. This query in itself is actually a pretty complicated query if you take a look at it, because it's combining elements of research and, finding and browsing the web as well. So I'm just going to proceed with their basic model of Claude Sonnet 4, and it's doing the analysis. On the right, it has even created a file, so gap identification, research opportunities, and documentation and recommendation. Right now, it is going through the gap analysis, and then once it has completed, we have, our basic ideas ready for us. It also shows you some images on the right, and as well as shows you all the search results that it has taken information from, which is really helpful, especially for citations. Now, moving on into the next AI agent, I will be showing you guys the result of this because I will, use a pretty similar query almost all of these platforms. So our second alternative today is Lutra AI. Lutra is an AI tool that focuses on intelligent automation and AI agents that can perform complex tasks and minimal input. It's especially popular among developers and businesses looking for customizable AI workflows. It's open source friendly with customization options with powerful AI agents for automation, and it's scalable for enterprise use. They have a free version with 15 messages per day and 200 AI credits per month. They have basic tools as well as a trial of the premium tools. You can click on login/sign up and sign up with Google or your email address. It's completely free. And then you can just proceed. Now, Lutra AI is perfect if you want an AI tool that adapts to your specific needs rather than a one-size-fits-all solution. Plus, it's open source, meaning that you can tweak it to fit your project perfectly. Now, over here, you're going to have your onboarding, so you're going to tailor your experience. You can enter your company name and then click on continue. I'm just going to proceed over here like so. And then we're just going to finish. After that, just click on get started. Now from here, you can ask it to complete a task for you. You have job listings to a spreadsheet, clean and reduplicate event list, extract Zillow agent. So there are a bunch of different, tasks you can ask it to do. YouTube video to social media content, research and analysis. So I'm going to ask it pretty much the same query. And just like so, I'm going to let it do the research for me. Now, you guys can see that Suna AI is currently even processing more websites, and it's exploring, the literature gap, as well as exploring some of the emerging areas and tech gaps as well, and updating and using analysis findings and showing me what results I could be gathering. Now, moving on, this is a slightly different tool. This is ArtSmart AI. Now, ArtSmart is probably a great alternative if you're focused on AI-generated art and creative projects. ArtSmart is going to help you in creating art as an AI artist and monetizing that. You have several different style customizations, and it's great for, selling art. And you have community features for collaborations as well. So if you're looking for something creative, then ArtSmart is the tool for you. Now, if you take a look at pricing over here, you guys can see that their basic plans start at $16 a month and go up to $32. Now, the hard part about using ArtSmart is that they do not have a free plan available. However, they do have a 30-day free money back guarantee. So if you don't like ArtSmart, if you were not satisfied with the service, you can get your money back and ask for a refund, and you will get your refund. So you don't have to worry about losing your money or thinking, hey, if I don't like it, what will I do? Now, coming in on number 4 is Synthesia, because I do think that this is a great tool, especially for visual art. It is a leading AI video and script generation platform. Although it is not a direct replacement for Magnus AI, it is an excellent tool for creators who want to produce AI-powered videos with avatars and voiceovers. It can create amazing videos in over 140 languages with integrated AI script generators and easy video editing. You can click on get started to get started. I have created my account on Synthesia before, so I can just click on login over here, and you can continue with Google or your email address, and I'm just going to proceed just like so. Once you do that, you can log on to your Synthesia account and get started with creating some of these amazing video content. You can see that Synthesia not only gives you the opportunity to create the content for the video and generate AI visuals, but it also creates scripts for you. Now, moving on to our final alternative is NoteGPT. Now, NoteGPT is your all-in-one AI assistant, and it directly does come toe-to-toe with Magnus AI. It is a visual and script generation tool, and it has a lot of promise because it is able to summarize your videos, boost your learning, instantly create notes, mind maps, presentations, and so much more. And the best part is that when it comes to the pricing, it is pretty fair priced. So you guys can see that their lowest plan starts at $6, but if you choose to go for monthly billing, it's going to be $10, and then their pro plan starts at $19. You have AI YouTube, AI presentation makers, AI summarizers, AI chat, and so much more integrated within this simple tool. So each person with each unique need is going to opt for a different platform. All of these are great, but if you are looking for something that is visual, then using Synthesia as well as ArtSmart are going to be your better picks. Whereas if you're looking for an all-in-one tool, then Lutra AI, Cortex, and NoteGPT are the better picks for you. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.